Good afternoon, welcome back to our stoichiometric equations lesson, and today we will see some of the old EAMCET or NIT questions. Very fast we will try to solve these questions. Most of the time it is not a single direct in one, like empirical formula or mole fraction or oxidation number and all. It is a combination. Nothing is given in a single straight question. That is all in only the board exam and all these things. In these things it will be a combination, and one should act very fast, and so simple small things we'll see. The first question in the old paper is xenon hexafluoride reacts with the silica to form a xenon compound. The oxidation number of xenon is what? Here there are two things. Xenon hexafluoride is highly reactive with the silica. So so immediately you should come to know that it is an explosive. The same valency will come. That is one straight away. Otherwise also the formation compound is xenon oxyfluoride, that is XeOF4, which is a explosive type of thing. So xenon hexafluoride 6, the same thing valid here also, so 6. Immediately tick mark it. Easy way to do this thing. Otherwise you can see the three equations and all these things. Next, see slightly 2-3 combinations question was given in the NIT. What is that? But simple technique I will tell. 10 grams of calcium carbonate is completely decomposed and formed X and CaO, and X is passed into an aqueous solution of 1 mole of sodium carbonate. What is the number of moles of sodium carbonate formed and all? So much big question is given. Actually, if you start and calculating all these things, it will be more than half a page. But the simple, you remember once you studied the entire stoichiometric. Calcium carbonate is it is a non-redox reaction but a decomposed reaction. Decomposition not reaction. You remember that, means you should get immediately. Which will give you 1 mole of CaCO3 gives 1 mole of CO2 and 1 mole of CaO. Fine. What is telling? X is CO2. This X is acid. X is passing through the sodium carbonate 1 mole solution. So immediately second equation you write CO2 and Na2, CO3 and all. Actually so many values were given. CaCO3 is 100, sodium carbonate is 106, sodium bicarbonate 84 and all. We don't require all those things. I will tell a trick. Then next equation you write CO2 plus sodium carbonate in the presence of water gives sodium bicarbonate. So everywhere calcium carbonate is giving 1 mole of CO2. 1 mole of CO2 is reacting with 1 mole of sodium carbonate and gives 2 moles of bicarbonate. That means CaCO3 finally 1 mole and bicarbonate is coming as a 2 moles. These two you are equalizing, you are reducing the so much time and all these things. So now, what is the question? Question is 10 grams of CaO3. 100 grams means it is 1 mole. 10 grams means it is 0.1 mole. How much is the sodium carbonate? Sodium carbonate, whatever be the value, it 1 mole gives 2 moles. 0.1 mole gives 0.2 moles. Simple answer. But otherwise if you do, it will be a one page problem. I think you understood nicely. Next question. So here it is so many equations and molecular weight and so many things he has given. So NIT question actually. 250 ml of oxalic acid contains 6.3 grams of acid. Molecular weight 126. What is the volume of water to be added to the solution to make a 0.1 solution? Here the normality is given, oxalic acid, molecular weight and all. You know equivalent GEW, gram equivalent weight we have already seen. 250 ml of oxalic acid, 63 grams. 63 grams actually the oxalic acid GEW. That means 63 grams, if it is 1 liter, it is 1 normal. And immediately simple calculations you see, 0.1 mole means 6.3. But volume is reduced to the 250 ml. That means it will be the 4 times then concentration has to increase, 0.4 normal. You understood? 63 is in 1 normal, 6.3 is 0.1 normal, 6.3 in 250 ml is 0.4 normal. You have to have everything, you have to calculate in the memory. Now here only small c equation. So 250 ml is with 0.4 molar normal, and the final resultant this required is 0.1 normal, and volume it will be find out. Volume equal to 1 liter will come, because 4 into 250 here this side is 1 liter. So but already 250 ml is there, so the answer is 750 ml or 7.75 liters. This is also another NIT question. So otherwise it will take half page. So please simple formulas. They will give like that only, but by seeing it will be the very complicated. Next, slightly the this thing, x grams of water is mixed mole fraction. Mixed with 69 grams of ethyl alcohol. Mole fraction of ethyl alcohol is 0.6. What is the value of mix? What is the value of water? How many grams of water is taken? What is the value means? Simple, mole fraction equal to particular mole number of that particular component by total number of moles. So mole fraction is 0.6. 0.6 equal to the ethyl alcohol is 69 molecular weight, and the 46 grams was 46 grams is molecular weight, and 69 grams, 69 by 46 by x by 18 plus 16. This 16 and 46, if you see simply by the quick mathematician, it is nothing but 1.5. Means 46 is plus 23 69. So that means 1.5 by x by 18 plus 1.5 means 2.5. 2.5 into 0.6 is equal to means x equal to 18. Very simple logic and this thing. Very quick mathematics you can do. I think you can understand, and by practice, the mathematics is more practice to be done here, all the chemistry also. Chemistry and mathematics together is your EAMCET or NIT. Next question comes to an organic compound contains CH. Empirical formula he is asking. Most of the time in the stoichiometry, in EAMCET or NIT, there will be 1 or 2 questions every time. 1 or 2 is guaranteed. And it will be not a simple this thing, it will be a combination of some 2-3 these things. Okay, empirical formula is asking direct question. So carbon is 92.3, that means 92.3 by 12 immediately, and remaining is 7.7, 7.7 by 1. So if it is both are equal, that means 7.77 means simple formula. That means this ratio is also 92.3 by 12 and 7.7 by 1, both are equal to 7.7. That means C equal to 1, H equal to 1. This is the simple, CH is the answer. I think you people got it. Next, one more question what they have given is oxidation reactions, redox reactions. They will not give entire reaction because it is an EAMCET or NIT. They will not give entire this thing. Though they have written like this, manganate means MnO4 minus ion plus SO2 plus something is missing, and Mn plus 2 and SO4 something is missing. You fill up the blanks. This is a redox reaction. Mn is plus normally plus 7 is coming to plus 2, that means pi electrons is transferred, and SO2 equal to normally it is a plus 4 has become the plus 6, 2 electrons. So multiply the 2 to this side and 5 to this side. So 2 MnO4 plus 5 is, and add a water, that is the equation. So H2O once it is there, here it is plus. Missing is 2H2O and 4H plus. I think it is very clear. The general question most of the time repeatedly coming is the very big lengthy question, but answer is very simple. The question is the chlorine is used to purify the drinking water. Excess chlorine is reacting with the sulfur dioxide, and the balance equation redox reaction is right. Simple equation. Excess chlorine is chlorine reacting with water and reacting with the SO2, giving rise to chloride ion, and sulfur has become the sulfate ion. Simple. Then balance this one. Answer will be very simple, or you can write if it is a bigger question, add the steps and all these things. Thank you very much. Tomorrow we will see some more problems of the EAMCET or NIT questions. Then we will close. If somebody is having any doubts or queries, please contact. Phone number is given. Thank you.